Good morning, empty nesters. It's Mark. Jackie's not with me this morning. I thought that I would show you kind of what I eat in the morning. We did that one sort of health podcast, and I just wanted to kind of show you what I eat in the morning now. I used to eat like a bagel and some cream cheese and, put some raspberry on or whatever it was, or, peanut butter and jelly, that sort of thing, and, some coffee. And I'm not completely awake. I start out with my little bowl, steel cut oats. So I just put some steel cut oats in here, and a lot of people, what they do is they actually cook these. I don't cook mine. I just kind of put them in there, and I heat up some water and I pour it in there. So this water is filtered here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little water in the tea kettle. I put chia seeds in there, and I just buy these in bulk at there's a store here called Sprouts. I'll put one big sort of spoonful in there, and I put in 2 scoops of pumpkin seeds. And then the big move is strawberries, and get rid of the tops, obviously. We're pretty good, and I got a little rinser. So, and I usually use probably too many strawberries, but I use 6, 8 of them. I'm thinking of cutting back a little bit on the strawberries just because of the glycemic index, So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to eat less food with sugar in it. And of course, sugar is in strawberries. And inflammation causes, sugar causes inflammation. And again, I just kind of woke up. Causes inflammation, which spurs on your insulin response in your body. And that's the inflammation, and it can lay down plaque because it's trying to protect your arteries, or your veins for that matter. It lays down plaque because they're inflamed, and that's how you get artery disease, which I have a little bit of. If you've seen some of the stuff. So what I do is I've got a little chopper. Jackie, I was cutting these up with my knife in the morning, and my motor skills aren't great in the morning because I'm still trying to wake up. Maybe you can relate. And so it's like, man, I'm gonna cut my finger off. Do we have anything around here? And I thought I had seen a chopper, and so sure enough, we had a chopper. And so what I do is I chop these. Pretty easy, just kind of compresses down, And I mince them up pretty good. And then I take my boiling water, and this is all I do to cook. All I do to cook this stuff here, these steel cut oats. It's all I do. And I just put this in here. And I've made this for other people, and they like it. And I just mix it up real good. That cooks it. What I really like, I like the texture of it. I like that it's really grainy and crunchy. So I like that in the morning. And then I start with my strawberries. Typically what happens here is I get strawberry on the countertop, and I'll come back and do a better job of it. But for right now, that's what I'm doing. And then I have my walnuts, and I use a lot of walnuts, as you can see. It kind of covers the whole top of whatever I'm gonna eat. And then I have my raisins. And I don't use a ton of these. And again, these kind of have a high glycemic. I mean, I'm trying to fight against the sugar intake, but this is kind of stuff I like. Walnuts are great for your heart, obviously, as well as the chias. They're really good for your colon and that sort of stuff. And it does, help the digestion, slows everything down. And the pumpkin seeds, again, tons of great properties for you, really good for you. And then I'm down now basically to blueberries. And I've decided that I'm a huge blueberry guy. So I use quite a bit of, probably too many blueberries, but I really like them, so I'm just gonna stick with it. And I rinse these little bad boys up. And I'm getting pretty close here to eating breakfast. I just wanted to show you empty nesters, kind of what I do in the morning. It takes a little prep, it takes a little time to make all this up, but pretty much almost every morning this is what I eat. So what that means, I gotta watch my food levels. I gotta make sure I got enough walnuts. I'm down on walnuts, so it's today or tomorrow I gotta make a run. I'm pretty good right now with pumpkin seeds and chia seeds. Raisins, that's a brand new bag, so I'm good there. I just got another steel cut oats. I got this from Safeway. Safeway's a store here in Arizona. You can see I've got some honey here. I shouldn't really use the honey because again, it adds kind of some sugar in there, but it does kind of do a nice little flavor. And so just a tiny bit of honey. And then I just pour the blueberries on there. And then I do use milk. I don't use almond milk. I don't use oat milk just because there's so many additives in it. I just feel like regular milk is better. But that's what I eat. I think it's a really great, healthy breakfast, and I hope you enjoyed watching what I make in the morning for breakfast. But let me know what you have in the morning. Like, what is your breakfast? What do you eat? And let me know if you try this, okay? Let me know if you try this and what you think of it, how you feel. It'd be awesome.